In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started with the steps. First, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Navigate to the Wrike website, and if it prompts you to use your connected Google account, go ahead and do that. It should just take a moment. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to dive into your tasks. Next, you need to open the specific task where the comment you wish to delete is located. To do this, you can browse through your projects or folders. Wrike organizes your work for quick access, so it shouldn't take long to locate the right task. Just scroll or use the search feature if you have a lot of items. Once you have the task open, scroll down to the comments section. This is where all the conversations between collaborators are stored. You'll see a stream of comments, sometimes long and sometimes short, depending on the discussions happening there. Take a moment to locate the exact comment you'd like to remove. Now here comes the key part. Hover your mouse cursor over the specific comment you want to delete. When you do this, look closely as a little trash can icon will appear just above that comment. This is your delete button. Go ahead and click on that trash can icon. After clicking it, a confirmation window will pop up asking you if you really want to remove the comment. It's always good to double-check what you're about to delete, especially if the comment contains important information. Take a second to confirm that you're deleting the right comment. If you're sure, click the delete button in this pop-up. And just like that, the comment will be permanently cleared from the task thread. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a comment in Wrike. It's a pretty straightforward process, but an essential skill to have for keeping your tasks organized and relevant. If you have friends or colleagues using Wrike, let them know about this feature as well. Keeping comments tidy helps facilitate clearer communication across your projects, ensuring that everyone stays on the same page. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy collaborating.